Hey friends, it's Aki Dearest. Do you guys remember that one video that I did a really long time ago of the tsundere pizza?
That's why I love Nestle Crunch.
Well, if you guys follow me on Twitter, I actually retweeted my good friend Toph, who let me know that Domino's is at it again, and they came out with Boba pizza.
It all started when my mom met my dad, and they fell in love, and they had me. Hi, I'm Ryan, and my life, it's kind of crazy.
So I'm here with...
Hi.
Come over for food,
You
they
get-
said.
Yeah.
It would taste good, they said.
Does tapioca even have a taste? That's the question.
That's the thing, it might actually taste good.
Tapioca doesn't taste good on its own, let alone on pizza.
No, it'll be fine. We'll just get the boba pizza. I made an agreement with them that we're going to also get a regular pizza just in case if we vomit from the first one. I wish I didn't throw that boba fleshlight at your place from the last video.
Oh, God.
God!
God damn
What are
it.
you gonna do with it?
We needed like a side thing for the... Never mind. Okay, let's go. Limited time only, starting from April 20th. At last, tapioca pizza.
Domino's isn't too bad in Japan. You just have to buy like a lot of pizza. If you want to buy enough pizza for one or two people, it's like not worth it.
Well, luckily we'll be buying this tapioca monstrosity and hopefully like a few other pizzas. Right?
Yeah, like two Aki, right?
Yeah.
One each, right? Okay.
Oh, are you saying that you want two tapioca pizzas? One?
No!
Yeah, okay, well...
No!
Okay, so we'll do that. Tapioca pizza.
I will hurt you.
That's fine. I'll get it on camera. It's actually called At Last Tapioca Pizza.
Can you get extra tapioca?
Do you want some? Okay. Yeah,
I
we
just
can.
wonder. Can you put extra?
I am taking that as a request.
So wait, is it just like, it's literally just tapioca on like a regular cheese pizza?
Yeah.
Great.
Great.
Double cheese. Oh, it's got maple syrup packets as well?
You should get like extra tapioca for the thumbnail.
Well, it's not even just for the thumbnail. I thought you genuinely just wanted extra tapioca. So,
no.
right.
I'm thinking about the YouTuber thought in my brain here.
Yeah.
We need more thumbnail.
well, it's not like you're getting the advert from it. Yeah, so it's 9,000 yen, and yeah, that's just for 3 pizzas and like a little bit of a side. Yeah, don't order pizza in Japan unless like you have a really good party and there's like nothing else, and you want to spend like what, 70, 90 bucks?
You just need that pizza, you know? Like I crave it some days, so I waste all my money. Focus on me, camera.
I saw a picture where someone put kiwi on pizza.
That kind of sounds like... That sounds in the same ballpark as this, I'm not gonna lie.
Don't think though this is going to be too bad because boba by itself doesn't
Yeah,
have a
it
flavor.
doesn't. Yeah, because
It's more the texture that's the problem.
Yeah, isn't boba just like condensed rice? Yeah, no, look. Why is this quotable? I'm so bad with spicy food.
I'm so bad with spicy dudes.
Bro.
Pizza's here. You got the pizza?
Alright, the one in question though is this one.
What? Oh, is that the one?
That's the tapioca.
Oh,
That's the
yeah.
medium.
That's the medium size.
Whoa.
I like as well when I picked up the order from the guy at the door, he, read off like what we ordered.
Yeah.
He like stumbled upon when it said boba pizza. He's like, tap.
Da-na-na-na.
Ew!
Oh, that looks gross.
That looks like some.
Ew! It looks like something's wrong with it.
It looks like a lot of animal shat on it.
It smells sweet. It
Yeah,
smells sweet.
Oh, it's got like a sugary scent to it. Man, the air purifier is going off.
That air purifier was like, okay, something ain't right with the air. Oh, you eat this with honey?
Yeah, it's a sweet pizza. That's why we were talking about honey pizza before.
Oh.
Bon appetito, Disney.
All right, let's do this, boy. Does that look delicious?
No.
All right, cool.
Oh god.
Me first. It's actually really good.
No,
Really?
I don't believe it, dude.
No.
Oh. That texture, though. Oh.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Like, I don't think the taste is gonna be your problem because boba doesn't have taste. It's the texture. It's like the.
The balls are like going down my throat.
Bro.
Oh look, I can get all of that in like one go.
Oh, beast.
It's not
This
bad.
tastes like a cheese pizza, what?
With tapioca on it.
Oh,
Yeah, you see what I mean?
Oh.
You see what I mean? You see what I mean?
Oh, it's just like it's like a slight. Oh! You know what it tastes like? It tastes like a cheese pizza that has kind of been sitting in the sun for a little too long. It's not very good.
Milk? There's a boba. It's like there's like accidentally plastic. It's not good.
Let's try it with the honey.
Okay.
Ain't that so good? I actually don't hate it.
Really?
That's honey on pizza though. Like it's not bad. You're just like.
I feel the honey is gonna like get rid of the boba taste.
It did. That's the weird. No. No.
It just kind of feels like, what's the point?
Yeah,
What's the point?
it is.
What's the point?
It is. It is what's the point. You know what the point is? The point is for the video.
Oh, is it good? Okay. You okay?
Like a boba went down my throat.
I was trying to do the outro. So that was the boba pizza. This was a shit post if I've ever seen one. But let us know in the comments below if you guys would ever eat it. I didn't have a problem with it,
Oh,
honestly.
good. That's good because you're finishing it.
I don't want to though, because we have good pizza right here.
Yeah, but there's only like what 3 slices left. You were the one who said, "Oh, I want to get an L." So be thankful that I talked you into just getting an M size.
That's good.
Yeah.